Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. It's another of May's unboxings for you today. Let's just jump straight into it. I'm very excited to see what's in here. This is the Look Fantastic May edition. My ring light's a bit bright. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful sort of minty green box with little accents of a sage green, a little bit darker. Absolutely gorgeous. Do like these Look Fantastic beauty boxes for that. Inside the lid, there's always a little bit of a quote. This one says, "Get lost in the wilderness. You were born to be free." Absolutely, I like that. And this month's edit is the Botanical edition. Here we go, here's our little leaflet that tells us all about the products inside the box. We also get a sneak peek of a product that will be in everybody's June box. And this June, ooh, we will be getting a Molton Brown bath and shower gel. I was just wondering then what it was. It's a bath and shower gel in coastal cypress and sea fennel fragrance. Oh, that's amazing. That's gorgeous. We were meant to be going to Cyprus for my sister's wedding. Unfortunately, that's had to be postponed now till next year. But we were meant to be going in June. So that would have been awesome, wouldn't it, to take that with me? That's fantastic, and that's going to be worth £10. So there we go. I'll just hold that up for you so you can see. There we go. Alrighty, so I forgot to say, Look Fantastic is a UK only monthly subscription box. Prices start from £15 a month, and that includes your delivery, and you normally get 5 to 6 items in your box. I've signed up on a 12-month pay monthly plan, and that's brought the cost of this box down to just £13 for me, including delivery. Let's get into it. You can't see anything on the top. There we go. Beautiful coordinated sort of sagey green tissue paper with that paler green sticker on it. Let's have a look, and here we go. What we got in there? Oh, right. Let's get the booklet out. Let's get a product and see what it's all about then. So the first thing in the box, this is by the make Magnitone, and it's Wipe Out, and it's an eco-friendly microfiber cleansing cloth. Oh, I like these. Okay, RRP of this is £10. These are fantastic for taking your makeup off with on a night time. They do say that you can use them just with water to remove your makeup. For me personally, I don't find that sufficient. But what I do is I use my cleansers and everything, and then I use these cloths to take all that off with. They're great because they're washable. Fabulous to have a little bit of a stash of them, so that you've got one in use, maybe one in the wash or two in the wash, and a couple of spares. So always on the lookout for things like this. Let me just get it out, see what sort of colour it is. Here we go. Whoopsie daisy, something's just fallen out there. That's not a bad size. Not a bad size at all. Nice grey colour. Feels lovely and soft. Like the fact it's got a tag on the corner here, so you can hang it up to dry it out so it don't go all fusty and horrible. That's really lovely, and it's a good size as well. I like them where you can do this, where you can actually sort of hold it under your chin and sort of like that, completely cover your face. I like to do that and sort of hold it on, run it under the hot water tap, and then hold it on to sort of steam my face as well. I find that helps to bring the makeup off even better. So there we go. That is product number 1, and I am really quite pleased about that. Excellent. Item number 2. Okay, this is an Ico London product, and at first I thought it was the mascara, and I was like, oh crikey, I do like this mascara, but we've had a few now. No, 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 this is not a mascara, this is a brow gel. Okay, it's a mini one, and it is 4ml. There we go. This is also worth, or has an RRP of £10. Let me just have a look. Does it have a shade on it? Or it is tinted. I can see a browniness to it. Nice little wand. There we go. Let's see if I can... Oh, it is like a gel. Oh, it's actually... Oh, that's actually not bad. Now then, if you've got sort of, you know, basically anything other than black eyebrows, you're going to be fine with this product. Can you just see where I've popped a little bit there? It's like a dark blonde, pale brown, medium browny colour. It's actually really quite nice. I'm going to be excited to try that because I got an Anastasia Dip Brow eyebrow product recently, and it's in the shade medium brown, and I was a little bit worried it was a bit dark, and I should have been, because it is really, really dark. It's a bit too dark for me, to be perfectly honest. Excited to try that, definitely. And I do like the Ico London products. I know they're not to everybody's taste, but I do like the mascara, I have to say. Next item in the box is from the range, or from the make Balance Me, and this is, if I hold it like that so you can see, there we go. Is it going to focus a little bit? There we go. And it's the Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. This is 10ml and it is worth £10. Now then, this, I've actually tried this before. I've had a little 5ml sample of it, and I absolutely loved it. The only problem with the 5ml, it just wasn't big enough. I literally got 2 or 3 days worth out of it and then it was gone. So it really wasn't enough. But I did like this, and I did look into buying the full-size version. Excuse me. So the fact that another one is in there, I'm actually really very pleased about. Yeah, really pleased about that. Excellent. And the next product out the box is, this is by the make Korres, or Kors or Korres. Oh, it's made in Greece. This is a Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Okay, this is a 20ml tube and it is worth £9.40. There we go. Suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. Woo, like it. It soothes, hydrates and cools for the ultimate pampering and nourishing feel. Oh, like it. And it's got real Greek yogurt in it. Oh, that's amazing. Synthetic fragrance free, dermatologically tested. Oh, now that sounds awesome. Yes, it might only be a 20ml tube, but do you know what? I'll get a few applications out of that, probably 5 or 6. So yeah, yay, that's a brand new brand as well. I've never heard of this make before. So if I have pronounced it incorrectly, please let me know. Yeah, very excited to try that. I like that. Awesome. Oops, I'm throwing everything away here. And the next product out the bag, now then, or out the box I should say, this was the sneak peek from last month, and it's the Avant product. This is the Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturiser. This is a 50ml tube, it is a full-size product, and it is worth £100, or the RRP of it is £100. Now then, one of the reasons I signed up to Look Fantastic was the fact that this product was coming in this month's box. Because last month in Glossybox we got the Avant exfoliator, and with extremely pricey brands like this, it's not just with the pricier brands, even with your more everyday brands, if they do an exfoliator and a complementing moisturiser, it's always best to use the same products from the same range or the same brand. Then you are using the products to their you're getting the best out of them, if you know what I mean. So this will go to one side and wait to be used with the Avant exfoliator. It might be a while until I get round to using them, but never fear, I will get back to you with one of my update videos and let you know how I've got on with this product. And then we have literally a little bitty extra this month. This is a 4ml and it's a Dr. Lip tint. So it's like a tinted lip balm, basically. Now then, we had a full-size version of one of these. I think it was in Birchbox a couple of months ago. That is 8ml. So this 4ml is literally half size. So I would call that a deluxe mini, personally. It's worth £3. It's 100% natural and cruelty-free. Now then, the only thing is, this is not vegan friendly because it has lanolin in. And lanolin is also, although it's a natural ingredient, an awful lot of people are allergic to lanolin. So just to make you aware. It has sweet potato in it as well, the pigment, and that's what gives it the tinted sort of reddy pinky look. Now then, I do quite like this lip balm, I have to say. Like I say, I've got a full-size one up there, and I'm probably about halfway through it actually. The tint is actually quite nice. There's a pinkiness to it, but it's not too in your face. It's almost like a Your Natural Lips but better, slightly better look. The lip balm itself, I find for me, is really, really nice. It's not overly greasy or sticky or anything like that. It's very, very comfortable to wear. So yeah, I'm really pleased that that little extra one's in there. Great little travel size. And again, what I might do is I might save that actually for when I do go away on holiday next year, and then I've got a little tinted lip balm for the evening meal out or whatever. But there we go. That's all the products in the box. So we have 6 items this month. Let's just do a quick roundup and a tot up of the total RRP value of the box. So we have our wonderful microfiber cleaning cloth. That was worth £10. After we've cleansed, we can tone and hydrate with the Balance Me Mist. That's also worth £10, so that's 20. Then, obviously, we've freshened up. We can use our moisturiser at £100, that's 120. Then, got to sort the eyebrows out, if nothing else, ladies and gentlemen. So the brow gel at 10, so that's 130. We've then got the little miniature tinted lip balm, worth 3, so that's £133. And then we've got the sleeping mask, or face mask I should say, to really give ourselves a good cleanse and hydrate, and that was worth £9.40. So what have we got? We've got £142.40. That is the value of this month's box, and I paid £13. That is over 11 times the cost of the box, almost 12 times the cost of the box. Wow, isn't that amazing? That is knocking it out the park, don't you agree? I think this is a fabulous box for the value. I love the fact that there's a couple of brands in there that I've never heard of before, so it'd be nice to try. Yeah, a little bit of everything. You've got your tool there, you've got your moisturiser, you've got, you know, your face mask, got your toner or your fixing spray and the hyaluronic acid spray, and you've got the couple of sort of makeup-y items in your brow gel and your tinted lip balm. Anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings, everybody. Please let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, and you'd like to follow me further on my YouTube journey, please consider hitting that subscribe button, either the red one down below here, or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. If you've not quite made your mind up yet, and you'd like to check out some of my other content, I'll pop a couple of options up here for you now. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.